Hello my dear student of class 7. This is your mathematics class. So, I already started this chapter, new chapter, chapter 1, exercise number 1.1, integers. And complete up to math number 6. And I hope you should try at your home number 7. So, I will start from number 8. In number 8 here said, verify a minus of minus b equals to a plus b. A minus of minus b equals to a plus b. For the following values of a and b. In 8.1 here given the values of a and b. Given that a equals to 21 and b equals to 80. So, we should check this. So, at first this is called LHS, left hand side. In the left portion of equal sign, this is called left hand side, and the equal portion, the portion from the right side of equal sign, this is called RHS. So, first we write the LHS. LHS equals to, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. So, left hand side equals to given a minus of minus b. A minus of minus b. Given a minus of minus b, first we put the value of a and b. A is 21 and given this sign b is 80. Now we know that minus of minus, that means plus. Minus of minus, this is equals to plus. Minus of plus, this is equals to minus. Plus of plus, this is equals to plus. Plus of minus, this is equals to minus. When I get 2 minus, this is plus, and 1 minus 1 plus equals to minus, and 1 plus 1 minus, this is also minus. So, minus of minus, that means plus. So, write first number 21 plus 18. 21 plus 18. 21 means A. This is A plus B. So, we get A minus of minus B, that means this is LHS equals to A plus B, that means this is RHS. So, LHS equals to RHS. So, this is verified. So, this is verified. Now, next we try the next number 8, number 3. 8, number 3. In 8, number 3 is given a equals to 75 and b equals to 84. Now, first we write the LHS. So, LHS equals to A minus of minus B. This equals to, first we put the value of A and B. A equals to 75 minus of minus B. B equals to 84. This is 75 and minus of minus, that means this is plus 84. And here is given A equals to 75, B equals to 84. And first we rewrite the values. This is A and this is B. So, we get this equals to this, that means this equals to RHS. So, we get LHS equals to RHS. This is also verified. Now, in the same process, you should try at your home 8, number 2 and number 4. Homework 8, number 2, number 4. next we try number 9. In number 9, here is given, use the sign greater than. This is greater than, less than or equal to in the box to make the sentence true. Statements true. So here given the first statement, number A, -8 plus within bracket -4, and here given the box. Next -8 minus of -4. Now first we try this side. So -8 plus or -4. -8. Now in number 8 we see that plus or minus. Plus minus, that means this is minus. -4. So this is equals to -8 -4 -12. And next this side -8 minus of -4. Right, -8 minus of minus, that is 2 minus. So that means this is plus 4. -8 plus 4, that means this is -4. Now we know that 12 is greater than 4. When we put negative sign in both, so this is -12 and this sign should be this. When greater than should be less than. So here put minus sign. So -12 less than -4. So this is minus, this is less than this. So this means this and this means this. So we put this sign -12 less than. So this is less than this. Now in this similar way we try next. This is number A. Next number B. Number B is given -3 plus 7 minus 19 and given a box. Here 15 minus 8 plus of -9. Now first we try this side. So write this -3 plus 7 minus of 19. So first we write this -3 plus 7 minus 19. So first we write the both minus sign, -3 minus 19, and given the last plus 7 -3 minus 19, that means -21 plus 7, that means -14. This is -14. And find this side. 15 minus 8 plus of -9. 15 minus 8 plus minus, they are given one minus, so this is -9. And calculate first the minus symbol. -8 minus 9, that means -17 equals to 15 minus 17, that means -2. So here -14, here is -2. Now 14 is greater than 2, so -14 is less than -2. So this is less than this. This means this. This is less than this, because -14 is less than -2. Now next we try number D. In number D, this is given 39 plus of -24 minus 15 box, left hand side is 36 plus of -52 minus of bracket -36. Now first we try this side. We simplify this side. 39 plus of minus 24 minus 15. We get 39 plus of minus. That means here is 1 minus. That means this sign would be minus 24. And next is minus 15. First we write this. We calculate the both minus sign. Given minus 39. 39 minus 39, that means this is 0. And next this side, simplify this side, get 36 plus or minus 52 minus or minus 36. Now given 36, write this first, plus or minus, that means minus. And minus of minus, that is 2 minus, that means this is plus. And here is 1 minus, that means this is minus. Minus of minus plus 36. Now first we calculate this plus symbol. There is no sign, that means this is plus. 36 plus 36 minus 52. This is 72 minus 52 equals to 20. I know that 20 is greater than 0. And here 39 plus, that means this is equals to 0. And here 36 plus minus 52, that means this equals to 20. So 0 is less than 20. 0 means first, that means this is less than this. So here put the less than symbol. Now this is 9, A, B and D. I will try C and E. C and E. So this is number 9. So now next we should start from number 10. And you try at your home this homework 8, 2 and 4 and 9 C and E. Thank you.